Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing another foundation review. So we are going to be trying out the new Physician Formula Organic Wear Silk Foundation. This is it here. I got this foundation on the Target website. So the shade that I picked up is number 10. And let me see, ultra nourishing, ultra fluid, weightless organic foundation, improve appearance of skin tone and texture, delivers a silky second skin, airbrush dewy finish. And you guys know I've been trying out a lot of foundation that says it's for dewy skin or hydrating, and it really don't do anything. It's more drying than anything. So hopefully that this is dewy. Okay, so I'm not sure how many shades they have on the Target website, but I'm gonna go on the Target website and try to see how much shades. So they have 12 shades on the Target website. 12 Rich is the darkest shade. So we have 4 shades that we could, we don't have a lot of shades, okay? But so let's just see if they have any reviews on this. Now this is $12, okay? The bad reviews were right. For those with strong stomach, I guess the smell, oh my God. I can't believe no one is talking about the smell of this product. It's absolutely gross and overwhelming. However, I think this will be a great foundation for those with dry skin. I seem to be allergic to it, which is no surprise to me. Okay. Because they have sensitive skin, but otherwise I like this foundation except the stench. It stinks. Okay, no coverage. All right, absolutely worst foundation. All right, so let's just see if it's for dry skin. So I'm going to be using this e.l.f. Hydrating Primer Serum. Still testing it out. I just decided to open it because I figure you guys probably tired of me using the same product, even though I like it, but I just want to try something else. But I'm gonna go back to my other products because this is just a serum. It really don't do much for the skin, because I tried out the other day and my face, it wasn't giving me that glow that I usually get from ColourPop primer. I don't like the fact that I have to press this to get the product out. It's just not working for me. I like things that's very simple. All this fancy stuff to get the product out, just sometimes it just gets to me. This is okay. I just need a little bit more glow. But I'm not gonna put anything else on the face because the foundation is a dewy finish foundation. So I want to see if it's actually dewy. I don't know, girl. This look a little dark, right? Is it just me? I don't know. It looks a little dark. So I'm gonna put a little bit here first. I'm gonna go in with this brush here. This is from Mented Cosmetics. Before I say anything, let me just see the coverage. It's pretty light. Ooh, nice. Ooh, looks really, really nice. All right, I don't even know how to get this. Okay, girl. All right, it's a bit watery, so you want to put a little bit at a time. All right, so we'll see what we're working with here. Yeah, I'm gonna put a little bit at a time because this is too watery for me. So I'm gonna do one side first. I'm gonna take it and put it on my brush instead of putting it on my face because it's annoying. Someone said that it smells bad. It smells terrible. Yeah, it have a smell. Okay, number 10 don't look that bad. All right, girl. Yeah, it smells terrible, guys. Ooh. Like, why they can't just make foundations without any fragrance or anything? It's just, ooh. Like, when things like that, it has a really bad smell. My stomach, ooh, girl, my stomach be turning up. All right, so let's just do this side. Let's see how many coverage. And then I have to put it on my nose. Oh my God. And that means I'm going to be smelling this foundation for the entire day if I have to wear this out. Oh no. Oh yeah. Oh girl, she smells really, really bad. I'm not even. This is why I like to read the comments, because I don't think people gonna lie about stuff they buy, especially like drugstore products. The smell is terrible. Now this shade is definitely not my shade. As I'm putting it on, it's getting a little darker, more of a red undertone. You know, I see the glow. It don't look that bad. It's just a shade that just, you know how that goes, right? I get a medium coverage so far. Now this does oxidize, okay? So number 10, if you use me for a shade range, number 10 is not gonna work. I know it's 9, but I'm just want to know like the undertone. So yeah, so number 9 is Deep Cool. So that is not gonna work for me. I do not know what to say about this foundation. I do not like the smell. Like my stomach is really bothering me right now. So we're gonna go in with this caramel concealer here, and this is from Maybelline. Have you guys ever tried out Physician Formula products? I don't really see a lot of people like reviewing this stuff. Maybe, you know, lighter skin tone women, but they really don't cater for dark women. I think a few years ago they started like, you know, bringing out a lot of more darker skin tone shades. And I did a review on it maybe like 2 or 3 years ago, and I really did like this foundation. It looks really good. I still have it. The only thing that I see that I don't like so far with this foundation is the smell. I think that if you have like a bad stomach for like bad smell, I won't recommend it at all for you. I'm gonna go in with my powder. As always, same powder until I finish this. I'm gonna be using this a lot, so don't get tired of me saying Revlon Candy setting powder, okay? I'm gonna be using this bronzer, and this is from Benefit, and I'm just gonna, you know, bronze up a little bit. I'm not gonna go back in because I don't want my face to look too dark. Okay, before I forget to set my face, I'm gonna go in with my Charlotte Tilbury powder. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this. So this is from Juvia's Place, and I'm using Toby as always. It's just a beautiful finish. Look at that, like, oh, so pretty. So this is what the foundation looks like. It's been like 30 minutes now. It's not that bad. It looks okay. Now the shade is okay as well. In the beginning it looks a little bit on the red side, but after 30 minutes of wear, I like it. Now if you have wrinkles, you're gonna sit in your wrinkles, so just be mindful of that. It's too runny for me. I don't like runny foundation. I don't like the applicator. I like pumps better. If you have the original healthy foundation, I don't know if they still carry this, but this is one of the best foundation I tried out from them maybe like 3 years ago. No, this one don't has a pump, but this one has like this type of applicator. But I rather this applicator than this medicine type of, you know, applicator they have on this. And this is really good for all skin type. The smell is terrible, and the shade range again is there's not a lot of shade for our brown girls. It feels more like a moisturizer than a foundation. It's more for dry skin. So most of the comments that I'm seeing is more people that have oily skin that's complaining about the foundation. Now if you have oily skin, this is not for you. Let me just test it out and see if it transfer. Yeah, it does transfer, okay, but it don't look that bad. I honestly don't see anything wrong with this foundation, and it looks like the foundation is disappearing because I could see all of my dark spots around there. In the beginning I didn't see that, but after a while it will disappear, so just be mindful of that. If you guys like my foundation hunt series, please give this video a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Also don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So thank you guys again. See you in my next video. Bye guys.